Hello, Scott Rosano with Gigbuilder.com. This is a pretty quick video here. It is how to install Gigbuilder as an app on your cell phone. You could also do this on your desktop on, I believe, you definitely on Windows and definitely on Mac if you are using Chrome. If you're on a phone, it doesn't matter. Pretty simple. Once you've logged into Gigbuilder, this is what you should see on your phone. And if you click the menu item that's right next to the username here, click there. There should be an item called Install App. If this is not there, then it's not possible for you to install on a certain machine or you've already installed it. Just click to Install App. Install App Gigbuilder. Let's install it. All right, we'll wait a couple of seconds here as it goes through the phone and builds it and goes ahead and installs it. And there we go. It's nice and installed. So let's go ahead and clear everything off here. And we click right there to open it. And there's your Gigbuilder all set up and built into your particular phone. And that's all you have to do. And clicking on there, there's your Gigbuilder icon. Close all.